Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Ladder. Today we are going to see about the service models provided by the cloud. There are mainly three service models which are offered by the cloud. They are IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. We will see them one by one deeply. The first one is a IaaS. What is meant by IaaS? It is infrastructure as a service, which means the cloud offers the whole infra as a service to us. Whole infra means not as a physical infra. It's through a virtual mode. Here, the physical server, network, storage, data center, and virtualization, everything will be taken care by the cloud. The remaining things should be taken care by us. Normally, when will one prefer the IaaS? If they want to maintain the whole computing and infra, they can go with the IaaS. As already said, every resources will be available in the internet through virtual mode, not as a physical one. The resources which are maintained by the cloud are storage, virtualization, servers, and networking. These things will be maintained by the cloud. The things which should be maintained by us are the application, runtime, security, database. Only these things should be maintained by us. The remaining one will be maintained by the cloud service. And finally, we can save a lot of money in IaaS if we go with the IaaS, because here we are using the servers and everything through the virtual mode, not through a physical one. So we don't need to buy a lot of servers and anything else. For a IaaS in a AWS, EC2 is a great example for that. EC2 is a elastic compute cloud, which is a virtual machine in AWS. We will see that in upcoming videos. That EC2 has a potential to handle a lot of users at the same time. The next one is a PaaS, which means platform as a service. Here, the cloud will provide the platform to develop our application. So the main priority of the PaaS will be a developers. This cloud service is made up of a programming language, execution environment, operation system, and databases. So we will just build, compile, and run the program without worrying about the infrastructure, which means we don't need to worry about the infra, like whether it is a Mac, Linux, or Windows. We just run our programs here without worrying about anything. We only need to maintain the data and application of ours. So the developers will have a more time to focus on the logic instead of setting up the infra. In AWS, we have Elastic Beanstalk as a PaaS service. Next one is a SaaS, which means software as a service. Here, there is a ready-made software available in the cloud. In traditional software, we need to buy the license of the software to use it legally. And mostly, we don't use it in multiple devices and we need to download it if there is any new update arrives. But in SaaS, there is no upfront cost to be paid and the updates are done automatically by the cloud. So, we don't need to install and maintain it in our local system. We just simply access through the internet. And the SaaS apps, right? These apps run on the SaaS provider servers. So they are responsible for everything. Everything means they are responsible for the updates, security, and patchworks, everything. They will take care of that. The main advantage in a SaaS application is we can easily customize the SaaS app without affecting the common infra. And finally, the security is the highest level. So everything is maintained by the cloud, right? So there is no worry about the security. They will take care of the everything. And it is accessible from anywhere. If you have a stable internet connection, you can access it from anywhere. And the great example for the SaaS application is Gmail. We don't install anything regarding Gmail, right? We just directly use it as a desktop application. So it is hosted in a cloud only. Thank you. From the next video, we will work on the AWS Management Console and we will start with the IAM in the next video. Thank you.